Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Awa Mohammed of the MPP. Now let's hear Peter Mensah of the NDC. Pete.
Over. Go off a conumo or tapaquasiasi. Ibiano takanasem. Or saquasi or dignon or dendiovic.
Union Rumabai.
But, and yes, Union Rumaba, tapaquasias now come my mind. Was I ordinary and you bet me a cabba and worse. Shed ye minia a wat na sebio or shed gun of one nimne to be a gun of 4 woman neck. No move can I dance somebody to Ghana also said. Over number 1. I'm put on what to be. I mean, picking to be where it was. I mean, from Raha. Dear Dickine. Oh, catch it. One say CD to dollar ratio and they affect your more.
If you
see, on Saturday, and CD to dollar ratio and fan cover the Argentina dollar equal enemies are. Over dollar need 2 man Pamrica and a Ghana 4 Busa, Dr. Mamu Baumia or Casa Wajit, dollar kino, what it's in Dakwa IG people. A year then a dollar new 8 million, ya, 2 man Pamrica. I was see 24 and you so. Who names say internally there are so many businesses almost $1.
So the demand is low.
Because the demand is low. Do you know how businesses are suffering under President Kufuor today? You are comparing Doomso to a net. Over Doomso bre ebisi da. Me benefi. I'm a student of politics. Me share political history. Me who a baby a ba. 500 financial institution goes down within 3 years.
500
under President Kufuor. Financial institution goes down. Among for Shiru ya over 70,000 Ghanaians and now because of your negligence of duty. And now Babetraka said businesses are striving under your regime. That's a shame. Ukasauma importers and exporters or more money hand or more businesses or more dia assign no or munya wa answer class yambe yanshi on baby tears yakranomani abago. Because the net businesses are suffering. Etimini aye jadanko dada den semono. Ghana for now womo enim amemwa President Mama de baye. Any amemwa aye trokan under President Kufuor no. Omune beye the best judge. Untra hanka say and judge ekos over. Mema sorry. President Kufuor COVID-19 ba ya yes yo ya small scale businesses obi anfo na yi. Omuma and sorry true dia hodo omo yes small scale businesses e wa so nyina say yemfa list mra ne ba be so obi asene bako. Not a single person in my church. I want you know. You will so much as Hesicano. How many of this Hesicana mom say, only a small scale business and they were affected and their mom is so much. And then could that much Kennedy, the cow do I for the fight against COVID-19. And was somebody bought him a move on. I won't change the movement. And two better Kazo, ya chama Ghana for. Who a tumfu trogu Ghana for na Ghana near to one any business. I say ya enquino. What is Okasi and Anakuma ese. Sramo samunya bibia mama asia ye nyam won krono sa na mpenfo ka asem no mudi esemo atumi anya hwiamaya magana fo eya na yetimu no ye nso so ye ho sa ne enkodu December 7 ye nto aba ye nyim furo na President Mama emeto ne nyuma paso over on the electoral commission woni bibi hwe eya pa se no kra da hopa na institution na ye hwanim se nkombe boa no more say etumia buama beacon of democracy ana yakase Ghana, West Africa and even beyond West Africa no yenya no enka ebetumi adimu the democratic credentials na yenya the beacon of democracy no the free and fair electoral system ya building over time enti unya electoral commission na nsese ya odigu akwamu no downplay that credentials you have to talk about it and it's so sad say yenuanom MPP for rule of law, no more can you understand that they don't believe in rule of law. We are talking about law here. Say Emrane say, according to CR 94 as amended, CR 126, you know, HSA say your registration BR. Electoral Commission need to gazette and publicize the registration centers 21 days before registration. And to be a registration BR no, and what's that Emrane say? Publicize na Ghana for ni timamufu nyina political parties and all other stakeholders and who say I have say your registration ampa Electoral Commission at the gazetted registration centers no at the betuja anti political parties na organize wo ho and omo ye den ye di ko share registration anti se one gazette a particular registration centers now registration na start no na wo ko create we have to question the law anti samra kwan we ye dey to gwam say Electoral Commission yes Ghana for months had we say nobody and NDC nobody is against say yen nuanoma omo secondary schools I womanya 18 years no yemba kwan emom register in any case NDC and from day one you advocate say every Ghanaian na oye eligible voter biano yemma bibia nsi obi akwase be register no and to be can we now there and be secondary school for register go that way because we from the one and he advocate say yemo bia enya kwan one register but yes ye wade nyina okwa ba nyina ne fata ye emra and ye de chichire oman no emra ne say registration centers no make sure make sure say what gazette registration centers here wako create gazette ye and ye ka say yanhwe na yamma mra na anya adwuma etena bi no obi betumi asore preko pese me yiri bedroom me de ho akoye registration center Ghana for mra na my registration obi so betumi asore no aka se da bi sa your friend is saying me wo fa krom ha ana se tepa akwasi so du janse ho na ma wo fa ko ni mo na pata na wa bo ho no da ho no yetumi ko bokanko enti ye fa ho koye registration center ye yesa ye mamra no ene ye toto na se enti ye hwe se ye bema emra no aye adwuma enti NDC yetu sa na mo ya ye born in the same. This is the basic reason why ye de asem we akoko to say ye yesa ye twa sabone ato ho ama subsequent Electoral Commission bi obebe bia no osori a no so den eye de oye NDC as a political party enam say ye pese ye mamra edi dwuma nti no enti we are taking this step na ye nse na ho say NDC ebrasa Electoral Commission etu sa na monboni we no ye de court to say enkeni kwan say otu na sa na mon we it doesn't mean say ye mpese ye nuanom no ebe register we can create a level playground say obia enya kwan no ye den and register now even we were even contemplating we were complaining about the time limit so the mpo so also be ya enti ne wa iPad you call the iPad earlier ni na ya deliberating ya usampa e kwan be so ne be fa so aye nuanom mo school ni register mo and that is the basic reason I call enti na lawyer Maliba ka cho say wofa de wo kan ni nyina no ya sem tia wa ne say ma me no de oye ye no emra e kwan so no e ya na say nye that is the bottom line so I just say now you see the ade akọ campus yen ko register you see coronavirus brena ye wo mu no enkwala wo mu wo suku mu sesia no empranya me ne o kasei yare akodi ewei edi enya wo suku mu dada edi enya asoman a ene over 24,000 na enya sa yare no ene you see over 10 schools na I recorded COVID-19 case in the schools enti you see yam for precautionary measures no engugu akwan mu die edikan over say registration center bia no every political party e wo kwan say ode ni agent ebe ko ho na omakwakoye agent e wo honom enti eno no ensi obi an kwan the fact say ya create polling station ni die e wo say political parties e di omo agent ko ho however sa pandemic we na ye wo mu ni nti no ye say emra bia beto a awofo krampo ye mam awofo enko sukum nkohwe wo mma enti yam si awofo kwan ya ye ma awofo enko sukum nkohwe wo mma no na obehu na National Youth Organizer of the MPP wasista ne entourage no makọ the whole school enye monitoring Ghana for months ye die yewura otina ha no ya danko dada do ensem ene ye ni your friend say ye kwachira mo COVID-19 protocol ene wo na mo adane you COVID-19 protocol agent ewo registration center mo akoduru honom it is not about monitoring honom na mo kwakoye campaign enkwala wo sukumu aye some yare ama wo manya psychological problem and so still I was on my registration ye bompa so registration mo koye yare di yo mo nkotete for it mako akogina na mo se ton futuro bone egu nkwala na dwim sa form of nana to do what enti wo nim se wa ya nnuma pa enkwala ye omwo school mu no omunimu a Every year registration na mo be sesam ho akwa registration center na wo buy form of for na natural nkwala no because you have failed and even failed the student and who kwan ya wo be present you message and now registration center coupled with COVID-19 coronavirus fight and na wakwa gina ho and na nkwala nko say yen hwe so be registration fast no man go back to classroom no wakwa semon nkwala na gu ho and I would say, young to Obama President Akufo-Addo to come and do what? To come and continue the corruption scandals, to come and continue collapsing of businesses, to come and continue nepotism, family and friends government. Sanyama when and Kolani Nibo, and this time 4 more for Nanane dear, Ghana for and Kolano more canning and no more shamo. And idea we need to condemn. MPP don't have a message. MPP as a political party, what me without say. MPP words is your message ben pan or Ghana for. They have no message. And one is a form more for Nana. 4 more for Nana to come and continue corruption. 4 more for Nana to come and continue nepotism, family and friends government. 4 more for Nana to come and continue collapsing of businesses. 4 more for Nana to come and continue the insecurity level at Embre Yomu. However, at yeah, 1 more year, I was here condemning all political parties on me. Because, say, you see, parent, ma omon koho. Because yari idea, nipa hunkita undie, ena ede eba. Until the moment I yabani say, I will for crampo me and ko skumu hono. So political parties, more demo agents, ako skumu ha. That is all. We should not allow any political activity to go on campuses. Talk less of say, a whole youth organizer, wako chimkwala na traho. Electoral Commission ni NCC, omojuma ne saying. And that MPP National Youth Organizer, or no any agent of protocol your friend say tutorials wadani who TA for COVID-19 protocol and okwa secondary school for how to wash your hand, how to wear nose mask sabre no home na yakwa kire saade no and even we share the setting of the student they were observing the protocol already so adanko that doing some senya campaign na mukoye ye no munyai Ghana fo nyina hu say mo de nkwala na mo pese mo ye politics with the nkwala. But nkwala no madwuma do. So wunim say what ye adwuma pa man nkwala we wo mahu a. They are discerning people. They are students and they know the reality themselves. Enya ve na obekwa ko gina school wo na akwa ya form of anana na Ghana for better. Sa brain me dem anusue no ofa. You see, electoral commission e be sere wo mo. O man ye nyina na ye kekere. Yem fancy say ya edi begu akwama at the end of the day no tima mufuni nyina ebenti yen system no atum. Media dabia na meka say see the democratic system na ye di agu akwam no ye nipa no na se mpanifo institutions no wo mo de da no enhye say ye ne anamontu a mo betuo no ene na be matimamufo agi atum se ampa ye wo credible system na anamontu ne nhye ye electoral commission etu no sa credible voter register na won kan at the end of the day e be ye sabio wachi bidin enti ye be sere ebra no adu say you to anamo to anamo in the interest of the general good. Now you share how it will favor one parochial political party, and I say the ebe favor ankran krabidie. E banisa and no na be matimamu for afamra asha wonsem because and then Ghanaians are disappointed in the system. Ghanaians enya brese e kwam biaso yansesa ban we ya wabedi Ghana for nwamo aban we ya wabedi Ghana for dem aban we ya wama Ghana for ewo ahunhia mu ne ahohantum a ye pese yetimi ede ye ho na president mama embra na nyuma pa ye hyehye na ye mesom and na wo kan ba vice president e call chief imam ho. You see sometimes you insult the intelligent level of the people. Na zongo fuo uba ye wasesa zongo fuo a zongo fuo sabio o motebia under president Akufo-Addo eno ne sen ye nuanom kaya ye mo MPP for mo be ye campaign amogege kaya ye fuo sika 1 cedi 2 cedi 5 cedi say ye be si hostel ya ma kaya ye fuo ene boba bu so mo say asokra ye de abofom say ye nuanom zongo fuo kaya ye fuo mutiti zongo no kaya ye hostel ye si bi amomo. These are some of the things okay, see,
my yanko into a
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.